Hello students, today we'll do exercise 1.2 question number 6. Let A is 1, 2, 3, B is 4, 5, 6 and F is 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. As a function from A to B, show that F is 1 to 1. So A and B are two sets, 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 6. So different elements have different images. Different elements in the set A have different images the set B. Therefore, the function is 1 to 1. It is injective. Now we'll move on to the 7th question. Check the function is whether 1 to 1, on to or bijective. So function first one is a simple linear function. F of x is 3 minus 4x from R to R. So how do you prove it is 1 to 1? Take x1, x2 belongs to R. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, we have to prove x1 is equal to x2. So 3 minus 4x1 is equal to 3 minus 4x2. That means x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, the function is 1 to 1. Therefore, it is injective. Now we'll prove it is onto. How do you prove it is onto? Function is given as y is 3 minus 4x. So you have to write x in terms of y. So x is equal to 3 minus y by 4. Now we have to prove for every y belongs to R in the codomain f of x is equal to y. That is f of 3 minus x is what? 3 minus y by 4. So f of 3 minus y by 4, 3 minus 4x. 3 minus 4, in the place of x you have to put 3 minus y by 4. 4 and 4 get cancelled. So you get y. The algorithm to prove a function is onto is write x in terms of y. That is step 1. Then you have to prove f of x is equal to y. That is what we have done here. We wrote x as 3 minus y by 4 and we substituted in the place of x 3 minus y by 4. 4 and 4 get cancelled. 3 minus 3 plus y, that is equal to y. So we have proved f of x is equal to y. Therefore the function is onto, that is it is surjective. The function is therefore 1 to 1 and onto, therefore it is bijective also. Now we'll move on to the second question. F of x is equal to 1 plus x square. The function is from R to R. So if I put x is minus 1 will go to 2. Plus 1, if you put that also will go to 2. Minus 2 square plus 1 will go to 5. Plus 2 also will go to 5. Different elements have the same image. Therefore, it is not 1 to 1. And what about onto? The codomain is set of real numbers and the range is only the positive numbers 1, 2, 5, etc. So, the codomain is not equal to the range. Therefore, the function is not onto. Now let us check with the algorithm whether the function is 1 to 1 or not. So for that, let us take x1, x2 belongs to R. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. So 1 plus x1 square is equal to 1 plus x2 square. Use the identity. So x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. So x1 is equal to x2. x1 is equal to minus x2. There is no unique solution. You are getting two answers. Both are acceptable, because x1, x2 belongs to set of real numbers. So there is no unique solution, therefore not 1 to 1. You are supposed to get x1 is equal to x2. Let us take an example. x1 is minus 2, x2 is 2. 1 plus x1 square is equal to 5. 1 plus x2 square is also 5. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2, but x1 is not equal to x2. Now let us check whether it is onto. So write x in terms of y. 1 plus x square is y. X square is y minus 1. So x is root of y minus 1. So we have to check whether for y belongs to R, if you can find root of y minus 1 for every y. Suppose your y is negative. Suppose y is minus 3. Can you find minus 3 minus 1 root of minus 4 in the set of real numbers? No, root of minus 4 is an imaginary number. So this will not exist. Some elements will not have pre-image, especially the negative numbers. So therefore the function is not on 2. Negative numbers in the codomain cannot be a part of the range. This range is a subset of the codomain. Range is not equal to the codomain, therefore the function is not onto, it is not surjective. So f is neither injective nor surjective. Now we'll move on to the next question. F is a function from a cross b to b cross a. F of ab is ba. So let us take the set A as 1, 2 and B as 3, 4 just for example. So A cross B is 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. B cross A will be 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2. This is just an example we have taken. So the function is from A cross B to B cross A. So 1, 3 will go to 3, 1. Because the function is defined like that, f of a comma b goes to b comma a. So 1 4 will go to 4 1, 2 3 will go to 3 2, and 2 4 will go to 4 2. Now we'll prove the function is 1 to 1. So let a1 b1 a2 b2 belongs to a cross b, such that f of a1 b1 is f of a2 b2. So f of a1 b1 is b1 a1. That is the structure of the function. F of a2 b2 is b2 a2. So that means ordered pair b1 a1 is equal to b2 a2 means b1 is equal to b2 and a1 is equal to a2. That means a1 b1 is equal to a2 b2, because a1 is equal to a2. b1 is b2. The function is therefore 1 to 1. Now we'll prove the function is on 2. You can see in the diagram, every ordered pair b comma a, there exists a comma b. For example, you take 3 1, you have 1 3. 3 2, you have 2 3. 4 1, you have 1 4. 4 2, 2 4. Isn't it? So every ordered pair b comma a, there exists an ordered pair a comma b, such that f of ab is equal to b of a. That is, the range is equal to the codomain. Therefore the function is on 2, that is surjective. So that is the algorithm. If y belongs to the codomain, f of x is equal to y. Y is b comma a. F of a comma b is equal to b comma a. Therefore the function is on 2. The function is 1 to 1 and on 2. Therefore it is bijective. Thank you.